Looking for a slim, affordable laptop that still delivers reliable performance for studying and everyday work? Let's check out the Acer Aspire3 A315-24P-R7VH, the go-to budget laptop for students and office users alike. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, this laptop offers sharp visuals and wide viewing angles, perfect for online learning, office work, or watching your favorite shows. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor and 8GB of high-speed LPDDR5 RAM, it handles multitasking, browsing, and everyday applications with ease. Enjoy fast and responsive storage with a 128GB NVMe SSD, boot up in seconds, open files instantly. With Wi-Fi 6 support, you get faster, more stable internet connectivity, ideal for video calls, streaming, and online classes. Comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and S Mode, offering better security, smoother performance, and optimized experience for basic users. All packed in a slim, lightweight, and modern design, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Perfect for students who need a laptop for online classes and assignments. Office workers using apps like Word, Excel, Zoom, Gmail. Everyday users who want a smooth, affordable laptop. Acer Aspire3 A315-24P-R7VH, smart choice for studying and productivity on a budget. Order today to get the best deal and enjoy 1-year official warranty from Acer. Buy and support me with the link below, thank you.